come and see color. Burgundy passion twist. I'm excited. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited for this video because I'll be installing some burgundy passion twist. I've never tried colored passion twist like this, and it's been a while since I've tried this much color in general. But yeah, so let's just get right into this tutorial and I will show you exactly how I installed these. I don't think I've ever done like full on burgundy, so I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm gonna do it the crochet method. One, because it lasts longer, and two, because my black hair wouldn't really match in with burgundy here if I tried to do it full burgundy. So I'm going to just crochet it on using this hair. So let's just get right into this video. First, I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern that I am doing. So starting off by just sectioning off the front perimeter like an inch, and this is where I'm going to do my fake individual passion twist. I'm not going to actually twist them individually, but you'll see it'll look like individual passion twists. And then once I'm done doing that, I section off another row along the sides of my head all the way to the back, again like an inch in thickness. And for this, I'm going to pretend like I'm making my boxes for individual passion twists. I'm only gonna braid like an inch or two up and pretend like I'm making boxes for passion twists, because this part will also give the illusion of individual passion twists, and you'll see it as it all comes together. But yes, this braiding pattern is very, very important to making sure everything comes together and looks so natural, and like you really won't be able to tell that it's crochet. So I do my fake individuals along that whole row that goes along all of my head. And then I go through and I section off my hair in the same way, going around in like a 1-inch section. And then I cornrow it down. But now as I'm cornrowing, I am taking in those previously parted braids and adding them into this cornrow, as you can see me doing right here. And once I braid it down on one side, I do the same thing on the other side, making a cornrow, and then as I'm braiding that cornrow all the way down, adding in those pieces from earlier all the way to the back, getting those pieces at the very back of my head in there as well. And then once I do that, I make another cornrow on both sides, going down about like an inch in thickness as well. And then I braid one more cornrow on that side going down. And once I have braided like a complete half of my head, I start by combining all of the braids, all of the ends of those braids on that one half into one big braid. And then I do the same thing on the second half of my head, where I combine all of the braids on that second half into one big braid, so that by the end I am left with just 2 big braids. And then with those 2 big braids, I just crochet them through the cornrows to make everything lay as flatly as possible. And in the end, I am left with this braiding pattern. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to braid down what will look like my individually twisted passion twist, and you'll see how I do them. It's not going to be actually individually twisted. It's going to kind of be like how you do faux locks, but I am just braiding down all the way down this time into the same 1-inch by 1-inch box sections until I am left with this. And now all of my hair is braided up, so we can get right into the crocheting. So the crochet hair that I'll be using will be this burgundy passion twist crochet hair, and I'll link everything about it down below. And so to start off with crocheting, as you can see, what I'm starting off by doing is putting the crochet latch hook through the base of my braid, and then I grab the crochet hair and I attach it in the loop and pull it through the base of my braid. Then I put the crochet needle back up through and grab the crochet hair from the end and pull it through so that I can crochet the hair onto the base of the box braid. Once I do that, I go up through the middle, the center of the passion twist, and I just glide my crochet latch hook up through the very center of the passion twist all the way until I get to the root of the passion twist. And then I grab the box braid and I latch it on and I pull it through down the center of the passion twist.
so that the braid can go and be hidden inside the middle of the passion twist. And then I do that again, going up from the bottom and working my way down until the entire braid is inside the passion twist. And then I continue doing that. I do this throughout all of the individuals that I braided in the front, doing the same exact method. I've actually never seen other people use this method of crocheting down the middle of the passion twist, but it actually works really, really well in one, preventing your real hair from frizzing out, which makes it last longer, and two, if you're using color like me, you're able to hide the color of your real hair down the center, which is perfect for these burgundy passion twists. So I continue doing it throughout all of my head using the same method, going down the middle of the passion twist. So after I'm done with the individuals at the front, I just continue. And as you can see, it looks super natural. You can't even tell that I didn't passion twist these normally. And then so once I'm done with that, now I'm just crocheting onto the actual cornrows. And what I do is I just crochet literally onto the cornrows, starting with these boxes that I created before that create the illusion. And it's that simple. I do that all around my head, and as you can see right now, it's already creating that illusion, like those are coming from the individual boxes of individual parts. And yeah, it looks really, really natural, which is perfect for the front. So whenever I pull my hair up, it will look natural. And then I'm doing along the very top as well, crocheting onto those boxes so that when I wear it in the middle part, it'll also look natural. Same with the back where I created those illusion boxes. I'm just going through and crocheting through them so it all looks super, super natural and creates that illusion that everything was twisted individually. Once I'm done with those illusion boxes, I just go through and start crocheting on to the box braids, just trying to fill in space, going through until I'm just feeling it for my hands, leaving like an inch or so in between there so that I can make sure that I'm covering everything well. And I go through the back of my head. In total, I'll leave the amount of packs that I used down below. In terms of installation time, it didn't take me too long at all. The hardest and longest part is doing the braid down, which shouldn't take you more than like an hour or two. And then once you're done with braiding down your hair, crocheting on, you can honestly be done in 30 minutes if you're fast. So once I'm done doing the back, I move my way into the front. And when I'm doing the front, I always start with the top and work my way down. And once I finished filling in the very bottom of the back, I again started from the top and worked my way down just to make sure that I don't accidentally put in too much, because with crochet, sometimes it can be too bulky if you overdo it. So I am just only putting in enough to cover the cornrows underneath and no more. And I'm using a mirror also so I can help see the back. If you're doing this on yourself, it is helpful to get a mirror. But yeah, so I'm just going through, filling in only the spots that need to be filled in. It took me around 45 minutes to complete my entire head, and this is how it looks. As you can tell, it looks so real, like I actually twisted them on myself. And I love the fact that even though I have long black hair, I can still pull off burgundy passion twist without my real hair showing through. I feel like this color complements my skin tone so well, so I'm really glad that I tried it out, and I would definitely recommend this method because this also makes it last way longer. So it's a win-win. I get color and it can actually last. So I'm really glad that I tried out this hairstyle. Definitely let me know if you're going to try it out yourselves as well. I love playing with color and I definitely need to do more of this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.